सलाम नाज़रीन, मैं हूँ रज़ा, आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज़। इस वक्त मुझे दुबई में, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं दुबई कमिंग फॉर एवरीथिंग, इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स यहाँ पर होते हैं और बहुत सी सेलिब्रिटीज यहाँ पर आती हैं, जैसे बॉलीवुड के स्टार हैं, वर्ल्ड स्टार हैं, बॉक्सर्स हैं। हर जिस किसी का आप नाम लेंगे वो आपको दुबई में मिल सकता है। हमारे मौजूद पिक्चर राह, जिन्होंने बहुत हॉकी खेली, हॉकी ना खेली बल्कि हॉकी को डिजाइन भी किया। ये इंटरनेशनल कोच भी है, जर्मनी से इनका ताल्लुक है और पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के टाकरे में बहुत मजबूती से रहे। इन्होंने इंडिया की टीम को लीड किया एज ए कोच। और आज हम ऐसे मौजूद दुबई में से जानते हैं, समझते हैं कि हॉकी किस तरह से हुई और किस तरह से इनको शौक पड़ा हॉकी खेलने का। मिस्टर राह, हाउ आर यू?
I'm very fine.
Tell me something about how do you start your hockey career?
My hockey career I started with 5 years. And already in those days I told the others what they have to do. So this was my coaching destination, started already as a kid.
The hockey was, field hockey was very famous in especially Europe, talking about German, Holland, England as well. So did your parents or your family people were playing hockey as well?
No, but they forced me to play hockey. I was as well a very good football player, but my mother told me only farmer kids are playing football and the well-educated kids are playing hockey.
So therefore you take the hockey.
Yeah.
You tell me, did you have the opportunity to train any team, or how you start your career from there?
When I was 14 or 15, we had a very old coach. He was more than 80, and I was always the leading player, let me say like that. And I told them on the pitch what they have to do. And he said, he saw that I'm doing well, so he said, you tell them what they have to do, this is fine, I can't do it. So that time already I started in coaching. And then I had to earn money for my studies. And I got the opportunity to coach junior teams. So this started my career. And immediately I was winning. This was a funny story. Whenever I touched the team, we had success.
You had a great opportunity. You was a national coach for Indian team and you went for Olympic and World Cup also. How do you see that memories, golden memories in your mind?
Of course, if you're going to Olympic Games, this is the highest what you can achieve as a coach or as a player. As a player, I never succeeded to do it. But as a coach, it was training was coming through.
Well, what was your dream when you were coaching Indian national team? You want to play against Holland, Germany, or?
Oh no, it's I played Germany, I played Holland, I played Australia, Pakistan. It's in the moment you are coaching a team like India, you're only thinking on your team. And whoever is coming, you want to beat the other team, of course. Doesn't matter if it's Germany. When we played Germany, we beat Germany 3-1 in Lahore in the Champions Trophy. This was even emotional for me. I did my job. And
your national team was Germany and you're from German, and you didn't feel any regret in yourself?
no, I was proud that it did.
Suppose Germany will be against you.
Yeah, they said to me through that win, they had the chance to drop out of the Champions Trophy.
Oh, that's a great opportunity. Tell me, do you have something in your mind that you become a now director or you teach and train any other team also as well at India, except you had Bangladesh or some other teams participating in the part of the world?
No, I was coaching Egypt and smaller countries like Malta. And I was, longest time I was in Bangladesh. And as I was in Bangladesh and India, I always was dreaming to coach Pakistan. But
So you would like to be a national coach of Pakistan team?
I would love, but now it's too late. This time is gone, and you know, Pakistan has now very hard times with hockey, and I don't know where they will go. But India went through the same, and now they're on the top again. So maybe one day Pakistan will come back for the talent.
Finally, the viewers watching you in Pak News, the viewers seeing you there, the story is going to own it. So, any message for them that they should watch and they should look for hockey and they love hockey and they watch the TV channel through this Pak News?
No, they should do the same like me. Whenever I arrive in Dubai, I look for how I can watch Pak News. But this is something what is bringing me Asia in the world.
Thank you very much for giving your time.
Thank you.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज।